In this tutorial, we would like to show you how you can easily share a single slide or a whole presentation directly out of PowerPoint without being in need to open up Outlook first and save your content locally on your device. We use the Empower version 9.2. When using the feature Share, there's two options on how to basically select the content you would like to share. Either way, we have to navigate to the group Finalize first and click on the button Share to open up our options window. Once we have navigated to the feature Share window, we can give the file we want to share with a colleague, for example, or even a customer, a name first. I will stick with the file name that has been suggested here, which is always the slide name of the selected slide, which would be in my case slide number 2, which is called feature share. I can now select if I want to share only the selected slides. Again, this would be only slide number 2, or my whole presentation, which I will not do in this case. I will either way have to choose my file format. So I could choose if I want to share this specific slide I have selected as a PDF file only, or for example as a PDF file and a PowerPoint file, which would be useful if you would like the recipient of your email to actually add some content here, or if I want to add my slide notes as a PDF file as well. Once I've selected a PDF file option, I can also decide whether I would like to compress the PDF images so that the file size is not too big. This is an option we would always recommend if you have a lot of images included. If you check, for example, slides number 4 to 6 that have images here, and I would want to share these, I would definitely want to compress the images, unless, of course, the purpose would be to share a magazine-like presentation that should be printed out. Either way, I can also choose to protect the slides I want to share with some colleagues, for example. And if I activate this feature here, I can also enter a specific password to even ensure that the security of my presentation or slide is even higher. And it is not that easy to unprotect the slides. Of course, the protect slides option is only useful if you want to share a PowerPoint presentation file format and not a PDF file. If you have included PowerPoint charts onto the slides you want to share in PTX format, you can also select if you want to protect charts permanently. If you enable this feature, however, all these charts are permanently protected because they are technically speaking converted into an image file. Either way, no matter how many protect options you use, the protection is only available if the recipient that uses the PowerPoint file afterwards has Empower installed as well. We could now click on the button New Email to actually open up an email to attach our selected slide to. We currently support the programs Outlook and Lotus Notes, and then after a short while we see already a new email has been opened up, and since I've selected both PowerPoint and PDF file format, both files are attached here, and since they have the same name, a 1 as a number is added to the PDF file format. I could now go ahead and add a recipient to this email and go ahead and normally write my email. In addition, I will not send out this email here. We can also always, if we use this feature share slides format, not only click on new email, as we can see here on the screenshot I've added, but also save the content locally if needed. Now it's your turn Feel free to test these functions out, save valuable time when sharing contents with your customers or colleagues. For more information on Empower, please check all our other tutorials.